I have purchased the ginger from a grocery store. You can see the eyes or buds on this ginger. These are all fresh ginger. But if you think that your store-bought ginger being treated with a growth inhibitor, soak the pieces in water for 24 hours before planting. You can see that all pieces have eyes on them. These are all healthy ginger. This one looks like an elephant. Plant ginger in spring as soon as nighttime temperature are above 55 Fahrenheit or 13 Celsius. Use clean and sharp knife. Cut the ginger rhizome into sections, with each piece having at least 1 or 2 eyes. For direct planting of ginger in the garden, soil temperature should be warmer than 75 Fahrenheit or 24 Celsius. Keep the temperature between 75 to 85 Fahrenheit or 24 to 29 Celsius for optimal growth. Feed your ginger plant with a balanced fertilizer during the growing season. Okay, no, cutting the legs of elephant. Sorry, elephant. Use a wide shallow pot with good drainage holes, as ginger spread horizontally. I have just this pot available right now, so using this. You can use a combination of compost, perlite and potting soil. Place the pot in a warm and humid spot with indirect sunlight and water it regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. First time when plant, water lightly. Plant a piece of ginger rhizome in a well-drained soil mix, about 1 to 2 in deep with the eyes pointed up, and use a loose well-drained soil mix. As the plant grows, you can top up the pot with more compost or use a seaweed or fish-based fertilizer during the summer to boost growth once shoots appear. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. This plant will be ready to harvest when the stems start to brown and die, which can take 8 to 10 months for mature ginger.